Question 1. What is the capital of Italy? Answer B. Rome. Question 2. What is the capital of Brazil? Answer C. Brasilia. Question 3. What is the capital of New Zealand? Answer C. Wellington. Question 4. What is the capital of Indonesia? Answer C. Jakarta. Question 5. What is the capital of Sweden? Answer B. Stockholm. Question 6. What is the capital of Argentina? Answer A. Buenos Aires. Question 7. What is the capital of India? Answer B. New Delhi. Question 8. What is the capital of Switzerland? Answer C. Bern. Question 9. What is the capital of China? Answer A. Beijing. Question 10. What is the capital of South Korea? Answer B. Seoul. Question 11. What is the capital city of Japan? Answer B. Tokyo. What is the capital of Spain? Drop your answer on the comments box.